Hello YouTubers, I'm glad to be back. I have been away from YouTube for a couple of weeks now since I got back on my trip from Europe, and today I want to go over this nice tech pouch. It is produced by AER. It's a company based off in San Francisco, and since my trip to Europe I I found out how hard it is to carrying multiple bags and not being prepared. So I guess I kind of didn't do my homework right, and when I got back to the States, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos from inspirational channels about traveling and travel bags and all this stuff, and I kind of like AER. I not only have this tech pouch, but I also have a sling from AER, and I'm gonna show you what the sling looks like, and I'm gonna be doing a separate review on the sling. This is their sling, City Sling 2, and it's made out of the same material as the pouch. It's called Cordura ballistic material, and I'll get into more details. So as to not make the video so long, I am making like my own collection. So on our next trip, when we go overseas, I want to make sure that we are prepared, and I'm gonna be like a one bagger guy. Just like I watch in the YouTube videos, I'm no longer gonna be taking any check-in bags when I travel. I found out the hard way, and carrying all these horrible bags, they're so heavy and so on. So I decided to make it easier for us. So from now on, whenever I travel, we're gonna go one bag, just the carry-on bag. And so this is gonna be part of my carry-on bag. And if you see the material here, this is the material that the bag is made out of. And also AER, they this is the type of material that they use on most of their products. So this material is called Cordura ballistic, and the description is here. I'm gonna get the English one. So this is made out of a let me get into more details here. So the material is called Cordura ballistic nylon 1680. So I guess that is the number of strengths, like how durable the material is. If I'm not mistaken, it is water resistant, perhaps not waterproof, but water resistant, yes. So you don't want to dip it like into a puddle of water, because whatever electronics you have in here, they might get wet. So when they send the package, it comes with all these neat labels, and they have like more like advertisement of their products. They also send like it comes with this strip thing. It was attached to the bag, and it also comes with like a catalog, this catalog from AER, and it's so nice that they include all these things. And they also have a thank you card right here. Thanks for purchasing like AER products. And look at this catalog. This is actually the bag, one of the bags I want to get. Like, I'm so into AER, I want to get like so many collections, but they're a little bit on the expensive side. So if I'm not mistaken, this is like a city travel bag. This is the AER the sling. This is the one I have now. They came out with a new one about a couple of weeks ago. This, I wouldn't know what design it is, but and they also have the travel pack 2, which is what I'm gonna get on my next trip. This is the City Sling 2. This is the one I have. This is this one here. And so just so you can see what they send. So they tease you into getting their products. The travel pack 2 apparently is not included here, but this is, I guess, for city oriented catalog. Well, anyways, I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and we're gonna go over the bag. So I'm gonna begin with the amounts of compartments that it has. So I would assume this is the front. The front side is made out of ballistic nylon, and the back is made out of this different material. So as you can see there, I wouldn't be able to describe what type of material it is, but it looks durable. But I would prefer the ballistic nylon. I wish the entire bag was made out of the ballistic nylon material. In the bottom, it has like this handle where you can grab it from, and I guess put it in your travel backpack, or you can stand it up. Like if you go to a nearby Panera, Starbucks, and you want to do some work, then you can, you know, just make a stand there. And if you're traveling, you know, the same thing. Like if you're in your hotel, you would open up this thing and you know, and save all your electronics, take off your electronics that you have there. So beginning with the zippers, these are YKK zippers. So YKK are very reputable zippers in the bag world, and they're designed by, they have a little add-on design by AER, but they are YKK zippers. Now I'm gonna open, it has an outer compartment. So this outer compartment, I have dude wipes here. So yep, I use dude wipes to wipe my butt. It has the brand AER here. It's very like unobtrusive, so it's not like the entire huge big label with the brand is going to be there. It's just on the side. So besides this little pouch on the outer side of the bag, there's what I would consider, I wouldn't call this the main compartment, but this is more like a side compartment. It doesn't open all the way, so it's not like clamshell. It only opens halfway. And what I have there is my MacBook charger pod, and I also have an Anchor USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 expansion card readers, and multiple USBs for the MacBook, my MacBook Air, and that's what that pocket has. As you can see, the material here, it feels very like very nice, very neatly, like this nylon feeling. It has two compartments here, and they are like, they're elastic, so you can put anything else in there. You can put like a battery, I guess a battery, external battery, or if you have your AirPods, they would easily fit in here like this, or you can put this here, for example, and it would do the same trick. Now moving on to the second compartment, which I would assume this will be called the main compartment, because this opens like in clamshell mode. So as you can see here, as soon as I open, you can spread this open, and there are additional pockets here. Beginning with this other big elastic pocket, I have here my MacBook Air charging cable and an iPhone charger. This like transparent mesh compartment, it is zippered, and the zipper, this little zipper is also YKK. If I get it just a little bit closer, you can see there that it reads the 3 letters YKK. Now here, what I have in this zipper compartments, I have stamps, I have Subway coupons, I have an iPhone memory card adapter. I also have my SD cards, micro SD cards. I have a USB-C to regular USB adapter, and it's nice that it's transparent because you can see what you have there, and these are like smaller little things that can perhaps fall off when you open the bag. So it's nice that they have it zipper in this additional pocket, and it's transparent, and it has like this mesh material so that you can see what you store there. Additionally, there are these elastic straps here. I would assume that what you can do here is like place a pen. You can place pens, highlighters, you name it. Let's try this Google pen here. No, let's try the Google pen in the middle, because it's wider, it has a bigger girth, the Google pen here. And this could be a highlighter, but I don't have a highlighter to show. But here is another like elastic strap where you can put like pens. Now moving on to the other side of the clamshell main compartment, there's another elastic compartment here where you can put a battery, you know, external battery pack. There's another one here, and besides that, there's another zipper, YKK zipper, larger compartment that it fits like the whole volume or space of the bag, and it's very padded. So I wouldn't know if perhaps like an iPhone, like your cell phone, will go here, or anything else that you can give a thought to. But it is zipper. The only thing is that it doesn't have any like transparent material, because it's actually overlapping two more compartments. It's not like this transparent see-through mesh compartment, so it's more like hidden, but it is padded. So I would assume another electronic can go in here. If you were to put like a cell phone in that, then I wouldn't put this here because it's gonna cause pressure. So let's say you decided to put your cell phone there, then in that case I would move the external battery to the other outer compartment and put this like somewhere in the middle, put this here, and that way you are balancing the volume, so that it's not going to put pressure on your electronic like cell phone. Or so now you'll be able to fit here the whatever you would put in here. And those are the compartments that it has. Let me see now if it closes. I will have to move the pen a little bit down and put this neatly stuffed in there and close the bag again. I don't carry pens in there, but I am gonna put some pen there. So on my next trip, I'm gonna make sure that we are prepared, and from now on I'm gonna be like a one bagger. I'm gonna carry just a carry-on bag. So this is what the bag looks like, and it is fitted with a lot of stuff there. And so far I love these products from AER, and I am so satisfied. I love this Cordura, you know, the ballistic Cordura nylon material exterior. I love it, and I love just how they also like package their products so neatly. They put a lot of details, and in addition they pretty much like coerce you into buying more stuff because they send a catalog. So on the back, to give you like a detailed description of the bag's description, you know, like the specifications, here it is. You can read it. It is called the AER Cable Kit 2 Smart Organizer for your tech accessories. It is a 40D nylon face of abrasion resistant carbonated polyurethane coating. So I guess that is either a water resistant or a durable material. The outer, you know, the outer exterior is made out of 1680 Cordura ballistic, and actually the bag that I'm gonna get, the Travel Pack 2, it's also made out of that same Cordura ballistic, but instead of 1680, I think it goes a little bit higher in terms of durability. So this is the color black, and it's a one size bag. They only carry one size of this. And AER is releasing new products every now and then. Like now they released the City Travel Pack, not City Travel Pack, City Tech Pack, I think it's called. And I haven't purchased yet the Travel Pack 2 on our next trip to Europe. So I'm gonna wait, because I have a feeling that they're gonna be releasing like a new updated bag, like a Travel Pack 3, for example, and I want to wait to see what's around the corner before, you know, I make the purchase, because our trip is not going to take place until like sometime in April of 2022. So I have time for that. So this has been not an unboxing, because I had already unboxed this travel tech pack, but it is more like an overview of the this type of bags and how I'm getting myself into this bags and this brand AER. And so far I love it. And for anyone out there who packages, you know, with handles electronics, and you're gonna go on an international or whatever type of trip you're gonna take, and you want to be like a one bagger, you're only going to carry carry-on bag, this is a great accessory that you can carry with you, because it's going to organize your electronics. They're not going to get misplaced, lost, and you're going to have everything organized neatly and in a bag that is very durable. It is, you know, it is made out of this material. It is water resistant, and you're not going to have to worry about your electronics dangling all over the place, getting misplaced, getting wet or whatever. So this is a great bag. Now, as far as price, you know, it's approximately like 50 bucks if I'm not mistaken, $49.99. It is on the expensive side, because honestly, you would be able to get something more affordable, like at Amazon or any other third-party vendor that doesn't sell, you know, that is not from this brand. But and there are other brands out there that are competitive to this type of tech pouch, but you know, it is what you like. So it is like a want. If you want to have this, you want to have air, you're going to enjoy the material. You're not going to find this on an affordable cheap bag made from Amazon. You're not going to find this type of material. So you get what you pay for, and that's what it is. So thank you guys, and I'm gonna get into posting more videos, I guess. And I also want to make a review at a later time. I'm gonna make a review of the sling pouch. So I show you the sling pouch that I got also, and I'm in the process of getting the travel pack. I do not know if I'm gonna get the travel pack 2 or not, because I told you that AER may be in the process of releasing another bag, and the end of the year is around the corner, so I'm gonna wait for that. But so far I'm making like the collections of the compartments that I'm gonna have inside my travel bag, which is like a toiletry kit, tech pouch bag, and compression cubes, and all this other stuff that are used for one carry bag people who just go on with a carry-on bag and not a check-in bag. Well, thank you guys, thank you always, and hope to see other videos out there. This has been like an overview of the AER Cable Kit 2 bag. Thank you again.